Hello guys, it's me Joe Renish. In this video, let's see the unboxing and my hands-on review of the Realme 3 Pro. So let's not further delay, let's get started. Starting off with a quick unboxing, this is a 6GB of RAM, comes with an 128GB of storage space, and it's a Nitro Blue color variant. Here we got the regular Realme box. Some of the important specs were mentioned below. Okay, now let's quickly open it up, the sealed box. Opening up the box, inside we have another box. There is a transparent case included with some manual and warranty cards. Then below there is a SIM ejector tool. Okay, below there is a mobile itself. Let's keep the mobile in a side. And this is a fast charger that was included in the box, Works branded. There we got the micro USB cable. It's not a Type-C cable. Other brands are moving on to the Type-C. They have gone with the micro USB cable still. Don't know why they are. Okay, that's what we got inside the box. Let's keep it in a side and move on to the mobile hands-on. The first impression of the hand feel was quite good. Okay, let's quickly remove the wrappers and see the hand-on feel. At the front, we got a 25 megapixel f2.2 camera. At the rear, we got a 16MP f1.7 Sony IMX519 plus 5MP camera for depth sensing. What sensor they have used in OnePlus, that same sensor. And the back was covered with a polycarbonate plastic. It's not a glass body, what like in the Redmi Note 7 Pro covered with a Gorilla Glass. Anyways, now let's quickly turn on the phone now. After finishing all the initial setups, it's what it looks like. Now let's quickly jump into the settings to see the mobile details. Going into the about phone, this smartphone is running on the Snapdragon 710 octa-core processor and the storage is out of 128GB, 104 is available, and the Android version is 9, built with Android Pie. Okay, now let's see the physical overview of the phone. At the top, we got the noise cancellation mic and the left volume rockers and the SIM card tray. Let's check out the SIM card tray. Pull it out. And yes, there is a dedicated memory card slot with the two SIM card slots there. And the volume rockers, it looks cool. And the bottom, we got a speaker grills and a charging port and a headphone jack. And the overall in-hand feel was quite good. Not so good as Redmi Note 7 Pro, but it's good. Okay, now let's quickly insert the case and see it what look like after inserting the case. It looks good now. I'll quickly show you some camera samples that test the image quality. The shutter speed was quite good and fast. And the image quality is also looks good. Nice detailing. Details are clear there. The overall impression of the Realme 3 Pro is quite good, and this is the best competitor with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay guys, hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video.